how to get early Apple Intelligence access. Recently, Apple announced that the highly anticipated Apple Intelligence feature will not be available in iOS 18, which is set for release this autumn. However, the company has released its first iOS 18.1 beta for all developers, which includes support for Apple Intelligence. You can test it right now on your iPhone or iPad. Since you won't get access to Apple Intelligence with the iOS 18 beta, you need to install the iOS 18.1 beta first and then join the Apple Intelligence beta waitlist. Here's how to install iOS 18.1 beta. You need an iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max to install the iOS 18.1 beta. Sign in with your Apple ID at developer.apple.com if you haven't before. Make a fresh backup of your iPhone or iPad. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Click on the Beta Updates button. Choose iOS 18.1 Developer Beta. If you need to change your Apple ID associated with the beta, you can tap at the bottom. Choose Back. When the iOS 18.1 Developer Beta option appears, choose Download and Install. How to turn on the Apple Intelligence Beta. Once the iOS 18.1 beta is installed on your device, open Settings, tap the new Apple Intelligence and Siri button, choose to join the Apple Intelligence waitlist. It might take some time before the available Apple Intelligence beta features are enabled on your device.